Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, go to the photos section, and then go to the watermark. So you can enable timestamp and also device watermark. And now let's check out how it will look like on the actual photos. So as you can see, here I have shot on Motorola Edge 30 Neo and also timestamp. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.